Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40 and let me share with you how to reset the preferences on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings and then scroll down in order to find the apps. Now let's tap on see all 63 apps, of course 63 in my case, and then 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on reset app preferences, and as you can see, your device will inform you that it will reset preferences for disabled apps and app notifications, applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset app preferences in your Motorola Moto X40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.